Hello students, in the previous session we have learned about the preparation of sodium hydroxide from common salt. Let us learn about some more chemicals from common salt. Next one is bleaching powder, that is common name bleaching powder, chemical name calcium oxychloride, formula CaOCl2. The chlorine which is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is brine, is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, that is CaOH twice. Bleaching powder is represented by the formula CaOCl2. Equation for the preparation is CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. The uses of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. As an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, and it is also used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Next one, packing soda. Chemical name for packing soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula NaHCO3. You are familiar with packing soda as it is used for faster cooking of food and also in the preparation of packing powder. It is manufactured by Solvay process or by soda ammonia process. Ammonia and carbon dioxide gases are passed through brine, that is aqueous solution of sodium chloride, to form sodium hydrogen carbonate. Equation for the reaction is NaCl plus NH3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. Uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate or packing soda. It is used for making packing powder, which is a mixture of packing soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When packing powder is heated or mixed in water, the following reaction takes place. NaHCO3 plus H, that is from any acid, mild acid, edible acid, gives CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of the acid. Carbon dioxide gas produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them softer, spongy. Second one, that is use of sodium hydrogen carbonate, is an ingredient in antacid. Being alkaline in nature, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Preparation of washing soda. Washing soda is the common name. Chemical name sodium carbonate decahydrate. Formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Preparation: ammonia and carbon dioxide gases are passed through brine solution to form sodium hydrogen carbonate. NaCl plus NH3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl. The NaHCO3 is sparingly soluble in water, so it can be filtered out. Heating of NaHCO3 to decompose it to give soda ash. Anhydrous sodium carbonate is formed by the decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Equation for the reaction is 2NaHCO3 on heating gives Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Crystallization of soda ash to give washing soda. Sodium carbonate soda ash is dissolved in water and recrystallized to get hydrated sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, which contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O on crystallization gives Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Crystallization of soda has to give washing soda. Sodium carbonate is dissolved in water and recrystallized to get hydrated sodium carbonate, which contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives on crystallization gives Na2CO3 10H2O, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, common name washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water.